Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a system crash with Asus. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Asus device is powered off completely. Press the power button to turn on the device. As soon as the Asus logo appears, repeatedly press the F2 key to enter the BIOS setup. In the BIOS menu, navigate to the Boot tab using the arrow keys. Locate the Boot Option Priorities section. Set the boot device to your recovery media, such as a USB drive or DVD. Save the changes and exit the BIOS by pressing F10. The device will restart and boot from the recovery media. Follow the on-screen instructions to access the recovery options. Select Repair Your Computer from the recovery menu. Choose Troubleshoot to see advanced recovery options. If you want to perform a system restore, select System Restore. Choose a restore point from the list and follow the prompts. If you prefer to reset the PC, select Reset this PC. Decide whether to keep your files or remove everything. Follow the instructions to complete the reset process. Once recovery or reset is finished, the system will reboot automatically. Remove the recovery media when prompted. Finally, set up your device as instructed on the screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.